Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel USA Immigration and Visa. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, the 10-year multiple entry USA visa. If you're dreaming of exploring the United States and want to learn how to maximize your travel opportunities, you're in the right place. Let's start the video. What is a 10-year multiple entry visa USA, B1/B2 visa? A 10-year multiple entry visa USA, B1/B2 visa, is a traditional visa that is affixed to a visa page on your passport. It is a temporary, non-immigrant visa which allows the holder to travel to the U.S. for the purposes of tourism, medical, or business. How long is the 10-year multiple entry visa USA, B1/B2 visa, valid? The 10-year multiple entry visa USA, B1/B2 visa, is valid for 10 years from the approval date. How long can I have a 10-year multiple entry visa USA, B1/B2 visa, stay in the U.S.? Visitors holding a 10-year multiple entry visa USA, B1/B2 visa, may enter the country for up to 180 days per entry. All visits are exclusively restricted to business or tourism, so you can't look for paid work or employment. What are the documents required for the 10-year multiple entry visa USA, B1/B2 visa? There is a short list of documents that you need to gather to apply a 10-year multiple entry visa USA, B1/B2 visa. It is probable that you already have everything you need. 1. Your passport. 2. Digital photograph. 3. Travel itinerary, if travel plans have already been made. 4. Dates of the last 5 visits or trips to the U.S., whether you've been there before. 5. You may also be asked about your past 5 years of international travel history. 6. Resume or CV. You may be required to provide information about your current and preceding history of education and work. 7. Other information. Some applicants will be asked to provide additional details after completing the online application, depending on the intended intent of the voyage. What are the passport requirements for the 10-year multiple entry visa USA, B1/B2 visa? The applicant's passport should have at least 6 months validity from the time of entry into the United States and have at least 2 blank pages. How many times can I enter the U.S. with a 10-year multiple entry visa USA, B1/B2 visa? The 10-year multiple entry visa USA, B1/B2 visa, allows multiple entry. Do I need a 10-year multiple entry visa USA for my children too? Yes. All foreign nationals, including children, who wish to travel to the U.S., need a visa. How do I find if my visa is accepted? You'll be informed by email as soon as your visa is accepted by the U.S. government. My 10-year multiple entry visa USA, B1/B2 visa, is still valid, but my passport has expired. Do I have to obtain a new visa? It is not necessary. In this case, along with your new valid passport, you must bear your expired passport with a valid U.S. visa. Your personal details, name, gender, birth date, and nationality, on both passports must, however, be the same. If you have made any changes to your personal data for any reason, e.g., change of name due to marriage, then you will have to obtain a new visa. Is it possible for me to extend my stay in the U.S.? If you need to extend your stay, it is possible for you to get an extension of your 10-year multiple entry visa USA, B1/B2 visa, but there is a rule that your stay in the USA cannot exceed a year. So if you are granted a 6-month duration, you can extend it by just another 6 months. You need to get a very good reason for the extension, though. You'll need to prove you need to stay for longer. What if I have more than a year to stay in the U.S.? You may be tempted to change your visa status if this is the case. However, if this is your intention from the beginning, then you need to mention that to the consular officer during your interview. But if you never wanted to change your visa status, you need to be able to show that when you were still in the USA, the reason you need the extension happened. How long would it take after completing my 10-year multiple entry visa USA, B1/B2 visa, to arrange my interview appointment for a US B1/B2 visa? Getting your US tourist, B1/B2, visa will take at least 5 weeks from the date of your application. We suggest you submit your U.S. tourist visa applications as far in advance as possible. The time it takes to schedule your interview at the U.S. Embassy/consulate depends on the processing time and total application flow of that particular embassy/consulate. After your interview, your 10-year multiple entry visa USA, B1/B2 visa, will be processed and approved within 5 business days. How does the 10-year multiple entry visa USA, B1/B2 visa, work? You fill out our simple online form, upload your documents, and pay with the information you provide. Payment of the visa fee to be done. Unfortunately, payment can only be made in person by the applicant in certain application countries: India, Bhutan via India, Nigeria, Philippines, Singapore, and Vietnam. Coordinating with you the best time and date schedules your interview appointment at your chosen U.S. embassy/consulate. You attend your interview, ace it, and leave your passport with the U.S. embassy/consulate to issue the visa. You collect your passport with your US B1/B2 visa in it. That's all for today's video on the 10-year multiple entry USA visa. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.